Is your Windows 10 PC taking forever to start? Don't worry, in this video I will show you 5 powerful and easy ways to fix slow boot times in Windows 10, and in the end of my video I will give you a bonus tip. Keep watching till the end, no technical skills required. Just follow these steps and your PC will boot faster than ever. Let's get started. Sometimes your Windows 10 PC take a long time to boot for your past startup settings. So let's fix it. For that, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Then click on Systems, and from the left side click on this option Power and Sleep, and related settings you have to click on this option Additional Power Settings. Click on it. Then from here you can choose this option, choose what the power button do. Click on it. Then click here Change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it. Then you can see here all of these options, and if you notice that turn on first startup is checked, then you have to uncheck these options. If you notice that all of these options are not available here, for that case you have to on your hibernate option from your PC. So if you notice all of these options are here, then uncheck these options and click Save Changes. If you notice this option is not available here, then you have to turn on your hibernate options. Then how you will turn on your hibernate options? Then go for it. Click on the Start menu, type here PowerShell, and run this PowerShell as administrator. Then click Yes from your user account control options. Then you can see your PowerShell window. From your PowerShell window you have to type here powercfg /hibernate on, and then click Enter. Then it will turn on your hibernate options on your PC. Close the PowerShell and Save Changes. Click here Save Changes and close this window. Sometimes many of the programs are starting behind the startup programs, so that it slow down your PC to boot up. So you have to limit your startup programs to boot faster. Let's do it. Open your Task Manager. You can open it by right click on the taskbar. Then you can find Task Manager, click on it. Or you can start it from here. Click on the Start menu and type here Task Manager and click on it. Then you can find this Task Manager window. Then click here the Startup, these options. And you can see here all of your startup programs are listed here. And this section is name of this program, and this one is the publisher name, and here is the status, and here is the startup impact of those applications. So you have to select and disable all of these programs which are not necessary to boot up your computer. So select this program and click Disable from here. The fewer programs at startup, the faster your boot time. Sometimes the Linux subsystems programs are turned on from your settings, so that the settings can stack your Windows to boot up faster. So the settings can take a long time to boot your Windows. So for the faster boot, you have to turn off those unnecessary programs from the settings. Let's do it. Click on the Start menu and type here Windows feature and click on it, Windows feature turn on or off. Then scroll down and find these options, Windows subsystem for Linux. If checked this option, just uncheck these options from here and click OK and close the window and restart your computer. Sometimes virtual memory settings can take a long time to boot your PC. For the first boot, you have to change the virtual settings from your computer. So let's do it. For that, click on the Start menu and type here Adjust the appearance, then click on these options and choose here this option Advanced, and here virtual memory, click on these options Change. And if you see here automatically is checked, then see here, if you notice that your recommended allocation is lower than your current allocation, then you don't need to change it. But if you notice that this is higher than the current allocation option, then you have to change this value from here. So click on this option Custom Size and give here the initial value is 3000. If your RAM is 8 GB, then click your 3000 and the maximum size of your RAM is 4000. That means 4 GB. And click Save and click OK. Then restart your PC. Sometimes take a long time to boot your PC for your graphics driver. Updating your graphics driver can fix this problem instantly. So let's do it. For that, click on the Start menu and type here Device Manager and click on this, and you can find these options Display Adapters. Expand these options and you will see all of your installed graphics driver are listed here. So choose your latest graphics drivers on your systems and select it and right click on it and click here Update Driver. If you have a latest version of your graphics driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. If you don't have the latest drivers on your system, or you don't know your drivers is updated or not, then you have to click here Search automatically for drivers, these options. It will say you for update your driver. So search for update driver on Windows Update, click on these options and it will automatically update your driver. And if you already have the latest driver on your local computer, then choose these options. Browse my computer for drivers and click here Let's pick available drivers on my computer. Click on these options and you will see the all installed graphics drivers list from here, and select here the latest one. And here is the latest one. Select this one and click Next. Then it will installing the latest drivers on your systems. After complete this process, close the window and restart your computer. So today bonus tip is you can also try cleaning temporary file using disk cleanup to improve overall performance. For that, click on the Start menu and type here disk cleanup and click on it. Then you can find this option disk cleanup. Here select the drive you want to clean up. Here you must have to select this drive, C drive, and click OK. then you can find this window. You can see it will clean up your temporary internet files, Windows error reports or feedback. It will detect as shadow cache and delivery optimization files and recycle bins, temporary files, even thumbnails. Click here, OK. Then click here, delete files. Then after completing this deleting process, restart your computer and see your PC is boot faster than ever. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more powerful Windows tips. This is Infotrix, making tech simple and practical. See you in the next video.